A patient is prescribed 150 milligrams of the drug intravenously, and in stock we have 50 milligrams per ml in 2 ml ampules. How many mils will you administer for each dose? So the want is easy to identify here. It's the prescribed, the 150 milligram prescribed. The have is the concentration of the drug. It's the 50 milligram. Look at the clue here, per mil. The invisible number there is 1. So 50 milligrams in each 1 mil. The 2 mil ampules is just the size or the volume of the full ampule, but the concentration is usually simplified if possible. So that's why we're not going to use the 2 mils for the calculation, because we need the concentration, 50 milligrams per 1 mil. So all we do is draw the box, enter your have in, which is 50 milligrams, always writing the unit in 1 mil. 50 milligrams per 1 mil. Now we have to enter the want, which is 150 milligrams and can only sit on the top to match with the 50 milligrams on the left hand side. We can easily do a mental calc here. 50 goes up to 150. If it goes up, it's multiplied by something. In this case, it's multiplied by 3. 3 50s are 150. So that means the mils will have to follow the same proportion, will be increased by 3 times, and 3 times 1 will be 3 mils. So that is our estimate. 3 mils is what we think the quantity of drug will be. To double check, we do the full calculation, multiplying the elements in the main diagonal and dividing that answer by the third quantity, which is the 50 milligrams. And here you can simplify a little bit, even do the calculation in your head or use a calculator. The box that the space in the box that is missing here with our answer should come out in mils. So important to notice that 3 mils is more than the contents of an ampule. So that means we will need to use for these 3 mils one of those ampules and another one. So we will need 2 ampules of 2 mils to be able to extract 3 mils of the drug. We won't use the whole lot. We will actually have to discard 1 mil because the total in 2 ampules would be 4 mils. But we use 1 full ampule and half of the second ampule. If the question was asking how many ampules will you need, you would say 2. You need 2 anyway, and you will discard whatever you don't need. But the question is only asking how many mils for each dose. So our final answer here is 3 mils.